Alright, hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my hospital bag video. I am currently 38 weeks pregnant and literally baby could come at any moment. So I wanted to hurry up and film this video and just share with you what all I've packed in my hospital bag. So I'll start with this. This is the bag that I'm packing everything in. This is like a Vera Bradley duffel bag. I've had it for so long. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. And I figured it would just be easier to pack everything in one big bag. So that's the bag I'll be packing in. Let's see. So the first thing that I've got is a pillow from home. Some people had recommended to bring pillows from home just because it's like the hospital pillows aren't very good and it's like just something comforting to have like from home when you're not feeling super comfortable. So I've got a pillow from home, and this pillowcase actually matches with my hospital gown that I ordered. Let's see, this is it. Got this off of Amazon. Can't remember the brand of it right now. Let's see. It's a Gownie. So I ordered it off of Amazon and it came with a pillowcase. So I just thought it was really cute to have like your own little hospital gown. Of course you can wear the ones that the hospital gives you, but I thought, why not? It's cute. Let's see. Next I've got a bath towel from home. That was another thing, is some people recommended to bring a bath towel from their own house. The ones at the hospital that they have are just not very fluffy. They're just like thin and just not very good. So that's another thing that I'm bringing from home, is a pillow. Let's go into clothes that I've got for myself. I'm packing a pair of pajamas. These are like a old pajama pair set that I got from Target a long time ago. I don't know that I'll really be wearing that, but I figured might as well bring it just in case they're like super comfortable. They fit me now, so they'll probably fit me after. Let's see, a going home outfit that I've got are these like jogger pajama pants from Target. The pockets are all like untucked out of it. So I've got those to wear home. And I also got this shirt. It's a nursing top to wear home, and then a jacket too in case it's cold. The weather's been like kind of cold and hot lately here, so I'll bring a jacket just in case. I'm usually always cold, but you never know. Let's see, another thing that I've got. This is also from Target. Let's see if I can get. This is a gown, a nursing gown, and I've got it to wear with a robe. This robe is so cute. It's from Posh Peanut. My mom actually ordered it for me, and the baby has a little matching swaddle set. So it's super cute, and I figured I can wear that under that. So I'll have a robe and a little gown to wear. Let's see. I also have another nursing gown. This one I ordered off of Amazon. Let me see if I can find the brand. I really can't remember what it's called. Oh, it's called Savvy Mom. Savvy Mom. So it's like a little nursing gown. It's got like the cutouts in the front to help you nurse if that's what you're going for. So which we are. So we will see. I also have another robe. This is from Pink Blush Maternity, and it's so soft and so comfy. I can't wait to wear it. I've already worn it a few times, but it's just like a cute little robe to wear. Let's see. Going along with clothes, I also packed a couple nursing bras. These are from Amazon and Target. So just some easy nursing bras. I also got a nursing tank. This is from Amazon. Okay, and then I've also got some underwear. Everyone said to bring like large undies. So I've got a few pair of underwear. I know the hospital gives a lot of stuff too, so I'm just bringing a few things that I think I might want. This is like one of those belly bandit things. And I may not use this right away, I'm not really sure. But I figured I might as well bring it just in case. It doesn't take up like any room in my suitcase, so got that. Have a few pair of fuzzy socks. And also these socks for labor. They say, baby, you're worth it. They're so cute. I got those from Amazon. It's either Amazon or Target. That's where everything is from, basically. I've also packed a pair of slippers to wear for whenever I'm walking around and I don't want to be barefoot in the hospital. And I've also packed a pair of flip-flops to shower in and to probably wear because my feet are swollen now, so I'm sure that I will not be able to fit in my shoes after, so we'll see about that. Let's see, going along next with packing stuff for me, as I just have toiletries. Got a big old bag full of toiletries. Everything that I need is going to be in here: toothbrush, toothpaste, face wash, like ponytails, everything, all in here. I also am bringing a makeup bag with some makeup in it. I mean, I don't know if I'll be up to doing a lot of makeup, but I'm sure for pictures and all, I'll probably want some makeup, so might as well bring it. See, I've also got my camera, and I have my boppy pillow. Whoa. Everyone said to bring the boppy pillow, and it helps a ton. I have a little goodie bag for the nurses with some little snacks and things in there, just as like a little appreciation thing for the nurses that will be taking care of us. Okay, and then I've got stuff for the baby. Oh, it's so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, so first I have the baby book. Let me get it out of here. The baby's memory book. And we have like a cutesy little banner that we're going to put up, and it's from one of my showers. It says "Welcome Baby Jane." So that's so cute. We'll be able to hang it up in our room. Let's see, also we have some little socks for the baby. Bringing a couple pair of those, some little mittens. Let's see, oh, this is a cute little outfit. Cute little outfit that has the mittens on there. So sweet. Another one of those same little outfits that has like the mittens. It's like a little shark outfit. Oh, that was so cute. I'm bringing this little gown. One of my friends gave this to me for our shower, and it's so sweet and precious. Let's see, I also have this burp cloth and this blanket, which my mom made for the baby, so I thought it was super cute to bring. Let's see, we have a little swaddle blanket. This is the little matching swaddle and hat set that matches the robe that I have from Posh Peanut. That is so cute. I can't wait to wear that. And then just another like white swaddle. And then everything else I've heard that the hospital pretty much gives you. So I don't think that I'm super overpacked. I might be, but I'd rather be a little bit more prepared than not. But anyway, so yeah. So super excited to finally get the bags packed. It's officially happening. It's getting real. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other suggestions for things that I might have left out, put that in the comments down below and let me know. So I am a first-time mom, so I do not really know what to expect, but I've looked at like a lot of lists and asked a lot of friends and watched a lot of videos and stuff, so I think that I pretty much have everything. But if you think I'm missing something, definitely let me know. So anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!